What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Seth the Lawn Surgeon. As you can see, I got my trusty dusty ramp. I keep this on my trailer in case I have to change a tire on my trailer. Since it's dual axle, I can roll one wheel up and whatnot. But today I got my Gravely stuck, so I'm gonna show you how I use this to get my Gravely unstuck by myself. Yes sir. Alright people, this particular yard, as you can see, has a grade down to the fence, and all the water runs down to the fence to where the back is most of the time mushy. But I always tend to risk it all and still try to go along the back. You can see standing water right there, so I'll probably be trimming this whole back end. But as you can see, oh, you can hear it squishing. But yeah. So most of the time when you get stuck, you have one wheel that's stuck and the other wheel is on good ground, right? So your goal is to try to keep that wheel that's on good ground on the good ground and get the muddy wheel out of the mud onto good ground, so then you can ride on up the hill. So what I do is I use my ramp. I put the ramp in here behind this wheel, kind of like a wedge. Let's see if I can get in there, girl. Like so. If I go wedge it, you kind of wedge it into the mud here. I think I'll need two hands here. So basically, as I turn the mower, this wheel push up against this and keep the mower and keep both tires from sliding back in the mud. So now that's what I'm gonna attempt to do. Alright, I think that this angle's a little better probably. Yes, sorry. Alright. Rip my pants. Alright. Woo. So as you can see, it's starting to slip, so still a little too close to the mud for my comfort. You can try right now, but most likely that tire is just gonna slip into the mud and then both tires gonna be stuck in the mud. So you switch tires. And then you hit the ramp on this side, try to pull the other tire out. And you're basically kind of waddling it up, trying to get it out the mud. So now we're gonna try this side. So I think I'm gonna give it a go. There you go. Now, key to this is kind of stopping while you're ahead. I didn't cause too much damage and too much rutting. I felt I was getting stuck. And when you feel like you're getting stuck, you want to stop at that point so you can assess the situation. Yeah, so that little trick, it works good for like, you know, it works good if you're on flat land. It works at the best, I should say. I have gotten myself out of ditches, but that's a little more tougher. It depends on your situation because the momentum of the weight of the mower is kind of carrying you back down into the ditch. So a little harder to do that, but that's pretty good for flat land or slight grade. Anywho, I'm gonna get back to cutting this yard. Thanks for watching. Comment, subscribe. Stay tuned. Yes, sir.